In front of me is Redmi Note 14S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling to Heat Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down over here and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way, you can enable or disable haptic feedback for all your incoming calls when your device is not muted. If it is, you can click on this switcher next to Vibrate in silent mode to enable or disable vibrations. Lastly, click on this switcher next to haptic feedback to turn on or off haptics to gestures and system controls. If you decided to enable this option, scroll down a tiny bit and adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!